Welcome to this in-depth look at FileMail, a cloud storage and file transfer platform that's been gaining popularity. In this video, I'll walk you through the features, pricing, and overall experience using FileMail. If you're new to cloud storage, you might be wondering if it's worth the investment and what makes FileMail unique. FileMail offers more than just a place to store files. With its advanced file sharing capabilities, you can send large files with ease, even files over 5 GB, which is often a limitation in other platforms. This is especially useful for businesses, freelancers, and anyone handling high-resolution media files. Let's start with the basics. FileMail provides both free and premium plans. The free plan is suitable for quick file transfers up to 5 GB. For those needing more, the premium options include higher storage limits, enhanced security features, and priority support. The standout premium plan, called FileMail Business, supports unlimited storage, custom branding, and advanced tracking. Security is a top priority for FileMail, with AES-256 encryption for file transfers and stored data, and compliance with GDPR standards. This is essential for business users who need to ensure their data remains private and secure. A noteworthy feature of FileMail is its simplicity. The interface is intuitive, making it accessible even to those unfamiliar with cloud storage. Uploading files is a straightforward drag-and-drop process, and sharing is as simple as sending a link. FileMail also offers integrations with email clients, which streamlines the process for everyday users. Pricing on FileMail is relatively affordable, especially compared to some larger cloud storage providers. The annual subscription plans offer good value, but if you're looking for a more affordable lifetime storage option, I recommend checking out the offer below. Quick note: buy 10 TB of cloud storage forever, no annual subscription, at the link in the description of the video. One of the main pros of FileMail is the flexibility in file sharing without a strict storage limit on some plans. However, a drawback is that the free version limits file storage time, meaning files may be deleted after a few days. If you're still on the fence, consider the benefits of using FileMail for projects that require frequent file sharing or long-term storage without committing to an annual fee. With its comprehensive set of tools, FileMail is a solid choice for both casual and professional users. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tech insights.